Meaning of game.
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 Game. The term game can have various meanings depending on the context. It generally refers to an activity or sport that involves one or more players following a set of rules with the aim of winning or achieving a certain objective. Games can be viewed as competitive, recreational, or educational activities. They can range from simple board games to complex video games and can involve physical or mental skills. Overall, games provide entertainment and can be a way for individuals to socialize and bond. In essence, games are a diverse and multifaceted aspect of human culture.